Beth is 4 and 5 over 16 feet tall. Julia is 4 and 7 over 24 feet tall. Which of the two girls is taller? So we have to compare these two mixed numbers. 4 and 4 is the same. So we have to just compare these two fractions. So how we do this? We have two ways. You can change these two fractions to decimals, or you can change these two fractions to the same denominator and compare only numerators. I think that the change to the decimals will be the easiest way. So we have 4 and 5 over 16. We can rewrite that this is 4 plus 5 over 16, and now we will change 5 over 16 to the decimal number. So we have to divide 5 by 16. How many times you can put 16 to 5? 0, of course. And now we have to just add a decimal point at the end. We will take this decimal point above and few zeros. So 0 times 16 is 0. Now we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. We take down first 0. 50 divided by 16 is 3. 3 times 16 is 48. To do subtraction. 50 minus 48 is 2. So 2, we take down next 0. 20 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 16 is 16. Subtraction. 20 minus 16 is 4. We take down next 0. 4 divided by 16 is 2. 2 times 16 is 32. Subtraction. And 40 minus 32 is 8. We will add one more 0 because now we have 80 divided by 16 is 5. 5 times 16 is 80. We finish our long division. We can rewrite that our number will be now 4 plus this fraction we will change to this decimal number. So this is 0.3125. So now this is equal 4 decimal point 3125. We change the measure of Beth to decimal, and now we will do the same for the Julie. We have 4 and 7 over 24. We can rewrite that this is 4 plus 7 over 24. And now we will do long division. We divide 7 by 24. How many times you can put 24 to 7? Of course, 0. To add decimal point at the end and few zeros. 0 times 24 is 0. We have to do now subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7. We take down first 0 and take up decimal point. 70 divided by 24 is 2. 2 times 24 is 48. 0 minus 8 we cannot do. We will borrow 1 from 7, so it will be 6, and here we have 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now we have to take down next 0. Have 220 divided by 24 is 9. 9 times 24 is 216. Subtraction. 220 minus 216, so it will be 4. We will take down next 0. 40 divided by 24 is 1. 1 times 24 is 24. Subtraction. 40 minus 24 is 16. We have to take down next 0. 160 divided by 24 is 6. 6 times 24 is 144. Again, subtraction. So it will be, we borrow 1 from 6, so it will be 10 and 5. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we can add one more 0. And we have 160 again. Divide by 24 is 6. 6 times 24 is 144. And we see that we cannot finish this long division. The 6 repeats. So we will rewrite our number as decimal, that this is 0.29, you have to copy, 1, 6, and because 6 repeats, I will just add the bar above 6. It means that this number repeats. And now this is equal 4.2916. We change our two numbers to decimal numbers. We have Beth, and her measure is 4.3125, and we have Julia, and she is 4.2916, and so on. And now we have to just compare these two numbers. We have 4 and 4, the same decimal point. The next digit is 3, and we have 2. 3 is greater than 2. So we see that the Beth is taller than Julia. So we can write that Beth is taller. This is my solution.